Hello guys, you're welcome to Coinspace with Austin. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. You all noticed that Bitcoin crashed yesterday. Do you want to know why? I'm definitely going to tell you. It's not rocket science. But you can notice that the market volume hasn't been doing well so far. Follow my mouse pointer. You can see that it's been kind of moving slowly. And we recorded a very high market volume on March, just around February, March. That was when we recorded a very high market volume. But since then, we've been having market volumes that are very, very small. But that doesn't mean that the market is not moving. The market is moving. But let me zoom up on the candlestick so you could actually get a closer look of what we're talking about. Right here on this position yesterday, the market crashed. Do you know why it crashed? The market crashed because the Security Exchange Commission of the United States sued Binance and the CEO of Binance. So that actually affected the confidence of the investors. Like that is the fundamental analysis, and it does affect the market. So that is why the market crashed yesterday. But let's look at the technical part of the market. Looking at the Bollinger Band, you can see that the market is on the lower part of the band. Yesterday, the market crashed drastically from the midpoint of the band down to below the band. And today, the market is still trading below the band, which tells us that the market is greatly oversold. And there are yet no buyers to actually come into the market to push the market up. This is because the market hasn't really survived from the news of the SEC actually suing Binance. But on the ADS trend, you can see that the market has a very weak trend. Remember, ADS does not concern itself with the buy or the sells. It just gives you the trend of the market. Now, the trend of the market right now is very weak. Even in the selling direction, the market is very, very weak, which also is an indication that there can be a push up pretty soon. If you check, the market has actually stood on the 200697 and the 27 and the 2000 sorry 26,700 and the 26,600 position. The market has been there until the news came in about Binance being sued by the SEC, which is basically what dropped the market down. And the investors are still holding on. But I believe there's definitely going to be a push pretty soon because the trend here is very, very weak in the direction the market is going. The trend is very, very weak. But let's look at the relative strength index and also the stochastic indicator and see where the market is. The stochastic indicator and the RXI are telling us almost something similar, if not so similar. Now, on the stochastic indicator, you can see here that the market is oversold, but not so greatly oversold that a lot of buyers will jump into the market. Now, on the relative strength index, you can see that the market is actually still being sold, but not so oversold. Now, that's just the difference between both of them. Now, on the overall, from the indicator on the Bollinger Band, from the stochastic and from the RXI, you can see that the market is greatly oversold. But the trend of the market on being oversold is not so strong. That means the market is not going to go down way more than we're seeing it unless the trend gets so strong. Then we'll see the market crashing down drastically. So on the price of Bitcoin, I see Bitcoin going up from this position. Now it's low today, it's about 25.3 something. So today it's definitely going to wobble around this position, but tomorrow we might see it coming up back to 26,600 or 26,000. Yes, 26,000, and then hopefully it can get back to its position where we're hoping it's going to push back to 28,000 definitely. So this is how the market is definitely going to be in the next couple of days. If you find this content useful, kindly smash the like and the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. I'll do well to reply to it and turn on your post notification. Thank you for sticking around. I'm Austin, and this is Coinspace.